So are you like Christian? Exactly. So you're nothing. You probably were told by your mom or dad asking if Pastor, where are we? She told you over there. Oh no. You never. But so you just started studying on your own, or? Okay, so yeah, so you've been conditioned to be what you.
Just look about the fireworks.
What?
Fireworks went over the whole.
Like, just like this is. I remember asking my mom. She was like, "This is what we are." I was like, "Okay, I love Jesus. If I don't love Jesus, I'll probably go to hell." But amen. When people say amen, amen. That's actually from Egypt, on and raw, first God. Well, I took this from my mom because she was supposed to be reading, and I bought it for her, and she was reading. But when you start, I was just like, you start studying, you really
Thanks for the
just
water.
start studying history.
Now I feel comfortable now with the AC going.
Go from there.
I'm done with Thursday lane
Start
where
studying your history.
Nice in here.
Then you'll obviously start, understanding, like,
one crossing it down, one up.
That's it, right?
7,000 years.
See?
Or actually 5,000
Oh,
years.
that's weird.
For 7,000 years,
Are we getting close to Martinez yet?
and 5,000 years before Jesus' name was
Yeah, so.
actually stone.
What?
We were
I
studying
think we might be. You see the bridge?
No?
Oh, like this one up there.
I switched channels again. Oh, there's a work train. Wow. It's still on the rails. Wow. I'll put rail on the top of it. That's how they put it on. Look at it.
Yeah.
The story of Jesus comes from Horus, where his mother was a virgin. Isis, the Virgin Mary. Isis had a son.
Ooh. A lot of engine. Yeah, he's sending engines over there.
Yeah.
It's your switcher.
And then when you start looking at this and understanding symbology and the symbolism of things, you'll see a lot of companies that use Egyptian symbolism. Or if you can look at something as simple as a earring, as an earring. My earrings are feminism. It's feminism, earrings.
I'm from Richmond, where I do now, because after Richmond, I'm stuck. I don't see. Oh, dirt. I'm looking at. Wait. Where's Oakland? This one too.
Wow, this is very long. That's why it took so long.
But I have to wash out her hair. Finger D. Get off the phone. No, you're dying here. You couldn't have got any stuff all over the phone.
Wow, this is a whole book.
So then she goes, well, here I am. No. You're already over time. And so Dad says to her that I couldn't get up. And I was talking to you, John. So now I'm in trouble.
Well, there's the bridge. Okay, we're in Martinez
Because I
now.
didn't talk to them.
That's it? Yeah, we're almost done.
That's been 60800 now.
Is that right?
And the color didn't.
Yeah.
It isn't. It's colorful.
Beautiful Martinez. And as I was I'm recording, I got the whole thing.
I get so excited when I meet new
Yeah.
strangers that I automatically
You know, I'm
want to
recording
tell
again.
like the
Really?
deepest thoughts I have. Saying an overall impression of me, but I'm not like this all the time. Sometimes I'm like, this is so fun.
Where does the best stuff tracks go? Somewhere away from here?
I mean, I live under a cannabis shop.
There's tankers over that
Man, I
way.
live with me. We're on top, I'm sorry. Yeah. You know Oakland? Yeah. 19th and Broadway? I don't. I mean, when I smoke cannabis, it's in a very ritualistic state. I mean, actually, sometimes I just go on.
Looks like best stuff can still go back here.
It's not the way where I'm like
Looks
drinking.
like best stuff can still go back there, but the switching back there.
I'll tell you that. Like I'm listening to music and meditating. But yeah, like,
Oh man.
I haven't smoked in a day and a half, so there's a guy smoking a blunt. I was about to ask
Oh, this
him
person's
to
really,
sit
the
down.
water's really high over here.
I was like, let me calm myself because I have not stopped smoking for about 2 years straight.
See, this is the bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
And then 713 to Paxton, I'm going to make a pit stop at Martinez, so I'll let you know when I'm back in the seat over. Pit stop Martinez.
What?
Here's the restroom at the Martinez.
Ah.
Alright, well, I'll be there in like 25, 30.
Does that mean the crew can't use the bathroom on here at all?
Yeah,
I
I'll
don't
be
know.
right there at the bar.
And there's 680.
I thought you just said
We
you
going
were
there?
away. That's
No,
why
it's
I
right there.
said 30 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
No, by the tankers we usually see from the freeway.
Amtrak 713, advance approach over. 713, advance approach.
It's 3:48, so yeah, like 5:30. Yeah.
Here comes the toll plaza.
It's on McDonald.
Where's it? Where's that traffic light? The traffic light's somewhere back here. There it is. It's right here.
Richmond Bar Station, but it's
Oh, yeah.
on McDonald Avenue.
Remember last time we came through here, it was dark on the train one time.
We did?
We took the one time from Bakersfield, then we get to Oakland to like 7 o'clock at night.
Why did we do that?
With Kyle, we had
Oh.
to rent the car that day.
That was a very long time ago.
Yeah. We never go here one time, we were doing switching, we had to wait for them. Oh, those 2 white tankers are finally gone. When I was here the National Train Day, there was 2 tankers sitting there.
Was that right?
Can you send her downstairs, please, Ashley, the minor right behind you? Say it again?
That's the local site track.
Oh, is it?
Into our next station stop of Martinez. If Martinez is your station stop, now would be the time to check around your seat. Make sure you have all of your belongings and make your way downstairs. Please watch your step as you are exiting the train. To those bus connections here in Martinez, they are to the right of the station. They are waiting for us to arrive, but please make your way over to them because they will depart as soon as everyone gets on board.
713, approach to merging. Slow, Mark Petty.
Might as well move the switches over from the other side of the bridge. There's that switch there.
Slow, Mark. Bad deal. Okay, I got time off the road. Okay, can you pull this?
Brown is here today. Wow.
Some special event.
I think you're right. Yeah, look at this. Some bouncy things. Jumpers.
Oh, there's a fair thing there.
Yeah, that looks like it, alright. Free admission. Oh, little train.
Hey, fix the sign finally.
Oh, did they?
Water department? Yeah, he's over on top, with him right now, I'm going back to, Alright, that's Brooke to James, water department. Benny, I can't track.